JB from Oz here. It's been a little while. Quick update. This is the workshop. Most of what's on the laser is destined for Gumtree, Australia's Craigslist. Boxes of screws and nuts and bolts that'll probably go on the roof. As we swing around, we've got the fire blanket for the laser. Easy to hand when the door's shut. When the door's open, it ends up right over top of the laser as well. So that's pretty handy. Little power hacksaw, ready for business. And this trolley has moved. It's now sat at the entry to the machinist's cave. And we also ended up with another top and bottom box matching the first set. I've moved on the grey cupboard because it was just really hard to organise. So I'll do a bit of an extra tour later on, but just really an update real quick. So the lathe's still there. Still got to do finishing of the wiring. We've now got access to the wiring. Mill's got its place. And essentially in this little spot, I've got access to all my tools, lathe, mill, and lay-up table for work. This is all projects that I've got currently in go. And the welding in there. So yeah, less than 2 metres square, I reckon. I've got an entire machine shop. How good's that, eh? We've just finished hanging some partition wall. Really lightweight stuff to keep that side of the world separated. And, you know, because space is a premium, it takes no thickness at all. Hence the hanging version. Thanks heaps for watching. We'll catch up with you next time.